most of the setting for the new loft is completed. Khushamdeed, it's a loft-like apartment, 2-bedroom, very high ceilings, like 16 to 18 feet. Shoe rack, litter box for the cat, more shoes and istri table. Nice niche. Need to add more decoration piece. Pakistani truck. Bathroom being lazy. Great storage up there and up there. This is my bedroom, the master bedroom. It has an old 100-year-old wall. Nice big closet with storage on the top. Very decent view and sunset in the sky. A lot of light. Really nice bathrooms with a shower. Cabin. More bottle here. This is the washing machine. Second bathroom, which is common for the second bedroom here, which is not set well, but it's pretty big as well. And then the favorite part, the living room, kitchen with these Philips Hue lights which look awesome. Counter for Nespresso, tea, coffee, vacuums, and again big ceilings, nice dining table. About this food area, and you've got another brick wall with some Philips lights and some Pakistani qaleen from Quetta, some Baluchi seating, and a decent view outside as well. That's a grocery store right there.